Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the ukulele. In this video I'll be covering the George Formby ping pong sound effect. So let's get started. But before we start, I have now purchased a 4K camera, so please let me know in the comments below if the picture quality has improved. Some of my videos are still in HD, they'll premiere throughout the year, but I'll leave a little note which videos are now in 4K. So any ukulele is fine, any size, any shape, any tuning, it's all to do with the right hand. I am using a C chord for this demonstration. So we're going to use split stroke 1 for this. Okay, what you do is when you strum down, excuse me, when you strum down, you keep the finger on, but before you strum up, you do that catch, you're doing that, down. So in the split stroke 1, you're doing down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap, down, up, okay? That's what we're doing. So when you strum down, for the first time you leave the finger on, you take it off for the catch, then put it back on. So it's like this. Hear it? But that's not taking extra, you fit that in around it like this. That doesn't count as an extra beat or note, it's fitted in. So it's like this, down, off, I'm extending my fingers that way so you can see I'm not playing it. In reality, I'm just lifting it off just a little bit, but I'm doing this so you can see it. Hear it? Down. So, when you're doing the split stroke number 1, you're going down with it on the first beat. 1, off, pluck the string, back on, then tap. Okay, so again, very slowly, this is the split stroke 1, you go down through all the strings, leaving the finger on. For the pluck of the bottom string, you lift the finger off, pluck the bottom string, and then put that finger back on, then tap the top. So that's the first 3 movements. Okay? So we're just doing this, again, down, catch, tap, but we're taking the finger off slightly and then putting it back on. So it's down, finger off, pluck the bottom string, tap the finger back on, then tap the top. Okay? So it's down through all the strings, finger off, catch the bottom, put it back on, then tap the top. You repeat that, then a down, up. So again, very slowly, this is the ping pong sound. If you hear it, it sounds. Hear it, can't you? So it's down, so split stroke 1, going down through all the strings, lift that finger off for the catch, put it back on, then tap the top. That's the first part now. You repeat that, then a down up. So it's 1, repeat, then a down up. So this fits in roughly in between. Count it slowly is a bit difficult because it's fitting in very quick. So it's down through all the strings, off, catch the bottom, back on, then tap the top. You repeat that, down, off, back on, tap, then a down, up. So 1 bar is now down, up. So like I said, it's a C chord, but any chord is fine as long as you've got something on that. You can do it with a G chord. Same technique, that bottom string is that A string is just coming off and on. So again, very slowly on split stroke 1, it's down with the finger on, finger off, catch, then put it back on, then tap the top. Repeat, down, off, back on, tap. then a down, up. Like I said, I'm extending these fingers like this so you can see it. In reality, I'm just lifting it off just a little bit. But the very basics is down through all the strings, finger off, catch the bottom string, back on with that finger, then tap the top. Repeat that motion, down, off, back on, tap, then a down, up. That's it on a C chord. On a G chord, if you're using your middle finger on the A string, off and on again, like the same thing. Or a G7. And that is the George Formby style ping pong effect. Again, very slowly, it is down, off, back on, tap, down, off, back on, tap, then a down, up. And that is the George Formby style ping pong effect. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School. The more thumbs up and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. And please let me know in the comments below if the picture quality and sound quality has improved. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.